kind of cool out here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely like probably in the 60s tonight, but welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully y'all are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. Oh my Lord. And in this video, we are gonna be headed out to a little late night car meet. We are gonna be pulling up fashionably late, but typically, fellas like to go to Mexico. I didn't really want to go ahead and get any runs in until the end of the month because I kind of teased in my previous video, there's some action going down. There's some cars that I do want to go ahead and get some runs in with. And if for whatever reason I do not get my clutch swapped out before then, I obviously don't want to completely burn it up before we head out to an out-of-town meet. But we might be able to go ahead and get into something today. Maybe we can hunt for some Hellcats, maybe we can hunt for some GT500s, anything. We'll see. We'll pull up to this little spot to see exactly what's going on. We're gonna pull up literally like probably 20 minutes before it's technically over, but the night's technically just going to start. That Jeep actually sounded sick. I ain't gonna lie, I had like a nice rumble to it. You aren't gonna be able to hear it on the camera, but it was like a Alright, so first on the highway, and I was wrong. We're gonna be actually pulling up probably minutes before it's technically over. So hey, we'll see. We'll see, man. We're pulling up minutes before it's over. Man, it is what it is. If I'd have to stop to get gas, we probably would have pulled up like 10-15 minutes earlier, but it is what it is. I had like no gas in the tank. We'll see what's going down, but if everything works out, like next week, I should have my clutch. I don't know if it's going to be installed next week because obviously, you know, I just can't push everybody aside to get work done. But if I can miraculously get the clutch installed, at least like give me 5 days before I need to go ahead and hit this road trip, I will be able to get the break-in miles done because I 100% need to do the break-in miles because I did it with the stock clutch that's in the car right now, and it's lasted quite a long time, way longer than I thought. And on top of that, you know, the car is making way more power than the stock clutch is rated at. So I had it, you know, bolt-ons, and then after a month of it being in the car, we had the 93 setup, which was about like 700 wheel. Then we had the E85 setup, which was about 800 wheel. And now we have the E85 setup with the ESS G3R, which who knows how much power this car is really making. I think it's making at least 850 just based off of the draggy numbers with it not engaging properly and the cars we've ran. I think it's about 850. But who knows, man? It could make like 820, 830, or it could make 9. Actually, I know for a fact it doesn't make 9. But, you know, it's definitely a lot more efficient. That's probably what it is. It probably makes like 820 to 850, but it's a really efficient 820 to 850, which is exactly, you know, what I was looking for.
One eternity later.
I don't know, y'all. This might be over with when I pull up. We might be pulling up a little too late. Wait, no, I see some cars right here. Hold on, y'all. Not over with. Wicked ass speed bump right here. Dude's like, rev it. What That dude's losing his mind. What's going on? I only know. No, there's some cars here. Shit. I'll pull up right in here. I'll probably park next to a GT500 or something. Hellkizzy right there. Oh shit, we got the Honda. any parking back there or no?
Huh?
Is there anywhere to park back there?
They said no more Mustangs allowed here.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh, there's a damn cop back there, I think. This truck's like blocking shit. See if that truck can get through. Oh, it's a tight squeeze. Yeah, we got through. And that bitch was tight. What we got here? This is that twin turbo S650 Hellion kit. It's actually pretty sick. I saw this at Mustang Week. It's on bags, twin turbo, on a drag pack. Looks good. Damn, that's crazy. Imagine seeing that. Is that the Grim Reaper? Man, of course the wind's coming. Pretty badass Honda. I've seen this car out. I think it ran a Beetle a couple, yeah, it ran a Beetle last week. It's pretty badass. Oh, it's dark as hell, but you got a 3-valve. Another 3-valve. ESS. Looks clean too. Like the welds. Let's see what we got over here. This Z28's clean. I think I saw this last week too. CTSV. Oh, we got cars back here too. A Hellcat, I think. Got a Camaro. I like that with the billet specialty. Really clean.
Cam 400.
C6.
Is it a cam kit or just a cam by itself? Cam kit.
Hellcat with the white badges. I do like that. That looks clean. I don't know if y'all can see this, but
So we're at 2800.
hell yeah. Man, look at this, y'all. Plasma man intake on the GT500. Intercooler. The twin turbo GT500 build right here. Jesus. It's actually pretty sick. SN95 over here. No motor in it. Coyote swap time. No transmission. This car is coyote swap, twin turbo. And that would be sick though, I ain't gonna lie. Coyote swap, twin turbo, SN95. That motor was definitely in that car. I'll tell you that right now. Maybe they're building it. No motor in here. That's pretty sick. His meat was at a shop. It's pretty dope. Oh shit. And it's got nitrous. What the hell? Pretty badass. Alright, so I'm on the way home right now. Unfortunately, I was not able to get anything locked in tonight. It was weird because there was a lot of cops that were just like randomly coming into the spot, just out of nowhere, repeatedly. And I'm like, All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, man. I know it's a little slow this week because the weather is terrible. It's currently raining right now. It's gonna be raining all day today, all day tomorrow. Hopefully it's not gonna be raining, or at least it's not gonna be raining. It's gonna be dry when I wanna get things done on Saturday. Got some runs lined up. There's actually a Cars and Coffee on Saturday as well. That's typically good that I do wanna go to. So hopefully all that does go ahead and, you know, pan out for the best. So yeah, you guys enjoy? Drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date. Should have a clutch, honestly, like maybe tomorrow, maybe sometime next week. But when it does come in, I'll keep you guys in the loop like always. Deuces.